for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass, power door locks, child safety locks. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.